What's up guys, my name is Brandon and today I'm going to be showing you how to customize your iPhone on iOS 12 without the need of a computer or a jailbreak. So you can see right here I have my iPhone XR running the very latest version of iOS 12.1.2, but of course this will work on future versions of iOS 12 and earlier versions as well. And just to show you a couple things I'll be showing you how to do later in this video, you can see we have a clear dock right here, so it looks like our icons in the dock are floating. We also have blank icons right here, so we can make, different variations of icons on our home screen. So if we had like a wallpaper with like an image in the middle, we can make sure to move those icons around so you can actually see the image and icons aren't over top of it looking terrible. So I'm going to show you how to do both of those plus more in this video, again, without the need of a jailbreak, working on iOS 12. All right, so let's first start off with that invisible dock right there. So let's show you how to get an invisible dock. And the only thing you want to do is go ahead into Safari, or actually you're just going to click the link down in the description below on YouTube. Make sure you do open it up in Safari, and it's going to take you to this page right here. You can see Eraser Type X, and it shows a little screenshot right there, and then you'll see a lot of stuff in Japanese right here. You just want to scroll down and then you will see it in English right there, and it's going to show you what to do right here. You want to make sure you do have reduced transparency turned on inside of your accessibility settings, which you can do that after you download the images. I'm going to show you that here in a second. You do also want to make sure reduced motion is turned off, and it shows you some other things to keep in mind there as well. If you want to read through those, you can, but these are the images right here. So you can see we have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, gray, a lot of different colors right here to choose from. So that color in the middle right there is actually going to be the color of the background. So to save one of these, we'll just do this red one right here, this burnt orange red, and just tap and hold on it and click save image. You can download multiples as well. If you just want to, have variations of different backgrounds, you could do so. So once you've saved whatever one you want, go into settings, general, accessibility, and you want to make sure that reduced transparency is turned on, and you want to make sure that reduced motion is turned off. Once those two are on and off, go back and go into wallpaper. Choose new wallpaper, then you're going to choose that photo that we just downloaded. You can see this one is the one right here. So it's actually like a brown color, so it doesn't look that great, but we're just going to stick with it for this video. Let's go ahead and go to set. Well, first of all, you want to make sure you don't even click on perspective, keep it on still, then go to set home screen, and then you can go back to the home screen and you will see that you have a clear dock, and you can see it looks like the icons are floating. If we scroll over to see where the folders are, you can see that the folders are floating as well. It's like invisible. You can't see the outline of the folder, which looks really awesome. It looks like those icons are kind of just floating together there. And you can see the icons right here. I'm going to change those. I'm going to delete those and get them to this color here in the next step of this video. So anyways, that's how you get the clear dock right there. We're going to go ahead and delete these, what used to be the blank images on the old color background, and show you how to get it for this new color of background and any background that you have. So what you want to do to get those blank icons is tap and hold and go into wiggle mode, and then you're going to go ahead and swipe over to this blank page right here, and then you're going to take a screenshot. So we just took a screenshot right there. It doesn't matter if that done button is up there in the top right, then just click on done or click the home button. And now we have that screenshot. And now what you want to do is click on the link down in the description below, and it's going to take you to this website right here, spacericon.app. And then you're going to click on choose a screenshot, photo library. And you're going to choose that photo that you just took of your blank home screen. Scroll down and you will see right here, this is what our home screen looks like. And you can just tap on any of these icons. It doesn't matter which one. Tap on it, then go ahead to the share button down there, add to home screen, add, and then it goes back to the home screen. You can see you have a blank icon now, and you can move it around wherever to get a blank icon on your home screen, which is really awesome. Once again, if you have like a wallpaper with an image in the middle or on the side, you can move these icons around so they're not covering up that image. And if we want to get more than one, let's just go back, and you're just going to rinse and repeat and do the exact same thing. Add to home screen, add, go back, share, add to home screen, add. So you can see right there, we have 3 now. We can move them around wherever we please. So if I just want to have like a straight line, you can see right there, we have a line of blank icons. So you can see we have a cool little pattern right here of blank icons, and it looks like our icons are kind of just in their own spot. Like there's no restricted area for them, which is really cool. You can impress your friends by showing them something like this, and they'll think it's pretty cool, especially when you don't have a jailbreak. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to customize the Face ID icon on your lock screen. So you can see right there, it looks like a bat, like the Batman icon with the unlock coming out of it. It looks pretty cool. It's not perfect. It's not the identical color, but it does look pretty cool. cool, and you can definitely impress some friends with that as well. You can actually change that as well to like a heart, like a triangle. There's a lot of different shapes you can use. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So once again, you're going to go to the link down in the description below, and it's going to take you to this page right here that says Variety Log 10. So you can see right here, it gives you a little screenshot as well of what this will look like. Of course, it is in Japanese. Again, if you scroll down, it does get to English, and you can see right there, it says you do need to have reduced motion turned off. And then you can see the different icons here. You can see we have a heart, and you can see you actually have two. So you have one for the lock screen and one for the home screen. And basically the difference between these two is the one on the home screen is kind of faded. So it looks like the animation kind of carries over when you get to the home screen. But I don't really like the way it looks. I just like having it on the lock screen because I think it looks cool. And I don't want to have, you know, my lock screen and my home screen look the same and have this background because I don't really care for that background on my home screen. So I'm just going to stick to the lock screen, but you can see there's different ones right here. We have round, we have triangle, antique. So we're just going to go down to the bottom here to cat, and we're going to tap on this one. And you can see right there, it's like a little cat icon. We're going to save that. So tap and hold on the image. Once you have it big, you shouldn't tap and hold right here and save image because it won't be in the full quality. So you want to make sure to tap on it and then save it from there. So then to apply it, of course, go to your settings, go to wallpaper, and you'll see it right there. Make sure it's on still, set as lock screen. Now let's lock our phone and see how it looks. So you can see it's like the back of a cat. That's pretty funny. So I like that. It's pretty cool, pretty unique. And of course you can impress some friends and show that off to friends as well, and they'll be pretty impressed. So pretty cool little icons there you can customize for Face ID. Now there are some other things on this website you can look through as well, and I will leave these linked down in the description below. You can see right here, there's like some border wallpapers for the iPhone XR, which are kind of cool. There's also some moving ones as well. You can see right here, we have other things as well. Super Red, we have Calm, Seasons of Japan, Black Brilliance wallpapers. We have Hide badges, Stoic, all kind of different things. I will leave this page right here linked down in the description below, and it'll take you to where you can choose all these and just find a lot of other ways to customize your device. Those are just the three that I really like. There are also some really cool wallpapers on here for the iPhone XR, like some moving wallpapers. So for instance, you can see right here, the iPhone XR has moving water wallpapers, which is actually pretty cool. And the red and black looks really cool on the red and black iPhone XR. You can see right here, the moving fire wallpaper for iPhone XR. I actually applied this and it looks really cool. And so that's something you can look at if you do have an iPhone XR and are interested in something like that. So I'll leave all these linked down in the description below. Make sure to check them out. Again, this background doesn't look the greatest because I didn't know what it looked like, but that's just for the sake of this video. You guys will choose a much better color, I'm sure. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Also make sure to subscribe so you don't miss future videos on how to customize your device without the need of a jailbreak. If I find anything that will allow you to customize your device further than what I showed today, I will definitely upload a video on that. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it when that video does eventually get released. But yeah, thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon.